weeks ago.
When did you wrap it? Where did you wrap it? Did you wrap it in the basement?
What I did was I took sellotape from work. On the way back from work, I swung by the Intermarché to pick up some wrapping paper and immediately went down.
Ooh, it's pretty. I like the color. Wow, metal. A metal bread, so pretty. Is that what it is? Or you have the reference?
Hi guys, welcome to this first video of my toolbox series. If you're new to my channel, my name is Chloe. I'm a Belgian illustrator, crafter, writer, and also YouTuber. I have a collection of art vlogs, but also other art-related videos that you can find here and there. But wait until the end of this video before you go watch them, please. So the Toolbox series is a project that I've mentioned in a previous video. It's something that I've been thinking about for a while now. In these videos, I'm going to present various mediums and tools and techniques that I use and particularly enjoy. It's not going to be tutorials, but I will explain a bit more about it and give some tips and tricks that I've learned with time, as opposed to my craft and chat videos where I use one technique and do a very specific project, but I don't really explain how I do it. So in this first video, I'm going to do a little inventory of my art supplies because it's my birthday tomorrow and Linus got me this magnificent little IKEA trolley. I absolutely love it. I asked for it. It's very practical, it fits perfectly in this little space. So in this video I'm going to basically fill it up with whatever makes sense to be on the trolley. So I'm going to start with my painting corner, because this corner doesn't always make a lot of sense. For example, my inks and gouache are in the desk, but I use them, well, the gouache I use more often than the inks, but my point is that I never use them in the painting corner. When I use my gouache and inks, it's on my regular desk. It will make more sense for them to be in the trolley. So here we have my Ecoline colored inks, but also my China and Indian inks. I've got black and purple ink, and I also have these things. I'll write the names because I'm not sure of the English names. Then we have my little gouache box with my gouache pots, and in the pouch I've got my very old dried out gouache tubes from my art school days. So I put all of that on the trolley along with the plastic tubs that I use as pallets. Once I was done with my little painting desk, I moved on to my shelves. I started with these two crates, the first crate being the gouache and acrylics crate. As I've said earlier, I mostly use my gouache at my other desk, so all the gouache tubes moved into the trolley. I then had space to reorganize all of my acrylics. I could even add a little acrylic kit that I got into the crate. In the second crate, I've got all of my linocut supplies, including inks, yellow and blue. I don't own black ink because it's all secondhand. I bought it off an old classmate who just wanted to get rid of all of that. I haven't done any lino prints in ages, but I really want to make more soonish, and that will be a good excuse to make a toolbox video about it. All of it moved back into the painting desk because it's more sturdy than my other desk, so it's safer for lino cutting. I took the opportunity to rearrange my shelves, especially all of my market stuff, because it's something that I need to have handy and well organized, but it can be down there, it's not an issue because it's not something that I need to go grab every single day. Then I took care of this very messy miscellaneous crate that was full of incredibly random stuff such as my glue gun and oil pastels and little wooden things that I use to flatten stuff when I need it. These things may or may not make appearances in future videos. I doubt it. Like, I have a saw, for example. I'm not sure that will ever come to use for a video, but who knows? We shall see. I then put the crates back in the shelf, higher than where they used to be, so that I can more easily grab my acrylics when I paint in my little painting corner. I then put some of my embroidery and various crafty stuff in the clear plastic crate, such as my embroidery hoops, and also the little ringlets I use to make keychains. When I was done with that crate, I moved on to my drawers. I really needed to free one of them because I've got some new exciting things to put in that specific drawer. If you're smart, you will guess what I'm talking about. You will see it in future videos. It might not seem like much, but I am truly overjoyed. If you are an artist in a relatively limited space, but you've got a lot of tools and supplies, if you don't have a trolley yet, I highly recommend it. Not this model in particular. I know that a lot of artists have the other IKEA little trolley. Tattoo artists have it too.
It's a little bit smaller and like small. Like this one is quite long and wide. And also the yellow one I'm talking about has way higher. The shelves are higher. Which depending on what you have can be more what you need. Because like if you have a lot of paint, if you have a lot of paint tubes, I would recommend that one. But they only have it in black and white, which is a bit sad. So I went for this one because it has this very light pistachio pastel green that I really love. Like my patterns are this colour.
It fits perfectly everywhere it needs to go. It's helped me reorganize the rest of my space. Why did I leave the top shelf empty? I'm going to answer that question.
Like, you know that my desk my desk is very practical because it has the shelves, it's got this little nook, it has this nook, which I purposefully tidied up and completely freed the other day because that way, if I need to take out my sewing machine, for example, I can just like move a bit the few things that are there and put my laptop in that nook.
Amazing. And also, yes, when I was making brooches or, you know, even painting here on this desk, it was quite annoying to always have this space was just completely cluttered with trash, basically, because like most of the things that were there I threw away because it was not even stuff that needed to be there. So I cleared out that space so that I can like leave things on my desk. Like my mic is safe now there. Before it wasn't. But the point of this top shelf being free, see how it fits perfectly there. It's amazing. So I can have things there like handy. For example, I'm working on gouache, but then I need to wait for it to dry, or I have something else to do. I can just put everything here on the side, on the trolley, get the trolley out of the way, and I have all of my desk space available without needing to bother to like put everything away or like where it used to be in the green desk. And then once I'm done doing the other thing I needed to do, take everything back out. No, I can just put it there on the side. I've got other stuff to do today, so I think I'm going to go and do that, including like video editing mostly. I hope you've enjoyed this organizing video, and I hope it got you excited about the Toolbox series. It should come out soonish. The first video will be about gouache. I've filmed it actually ages ago, so if you see that my desk is messy, and if you don't see the trolley, that's why. I haven't regressed yet. So, see you guys at another time. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends. And I think that's all, basically. See you another time. Bye! Hi guys, welcome to this first video of my toolbox. Toolbox? Hi guys, welcome to this first video of my Toolbox series.